Voice of inspiration, and I have the extreme pleasure to present to some and introduce to others none other than this morning's host of the Pass the Ball segment, and we call him the man that has the reputation of being a master builder. He's that six-figure ring earner and gold legacy member, known to this family as the man who is the first shareholder of Washington, D.C., and the man of courageous conversations. We talking about Uncle Jock.
Woo! Can you hear me loud and clear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you for that wonderful introduction,
All
Mr.
right, all
Troy
right.
Gandy.
The
Appreciate
ball
it.
is yours.
Thank you, sir. So with that being said, we'd like to welcome everybody to the biggest, baddest CEO meetup on the planet. I got 3 questions for y'all. Come off of mute because I need to fill your NRG. And real quick, don't forget to send the last minute text out. Send that last minute text out. Send it. Let everybody know that we are here. Get everybody to plug in. Team, how y'all feel?
Fired up.
Woo! And what's up?
My
Income.
And here's the background noise.
Money, 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 money.
Who gets a green sheet?
Everybody gets a
Everybody
green
gets
sheet.
the green sheet, sir. What's a green sheet? I want a green sheet. I want a green sheet.
I'm trying to play it off and wait for the DJ, but I guess DJ No Play is in the building. DJ No Play is in the building.
Get your green sheet. Get your green sheet.
Get your green sheets. Hey.
Get your green sheets. Everybody get your green sheets. Get your green sheets. Everybody get your green sheets. Get your green sheets. Everybody get your green sheets. Get your green sheets. Everybody get your green sheets.
Hey, come on and jam with me. Come on, Cynthia. Yeah, come on. I know you got it. Come on, girl. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Hey. Miss Don Hager. Oh, my goodness. Is that Nathaniel Hooker? Oh, man. I'm your partner. Let's go. Yeah, that's how we do it.
Yeah. So with that being said, I'm gonna take the ball and I'm gonna pass it to a young lady who is on fire. Now, here's the thing about this young lady: on fire, quietly. Y'all feel what I'm saying? Quietly, like she's quietly on fire. So without any further ado, I'm gonna bring up Miss Jennifer Petty Cash, who is
The silent assassin.
Good morning.
hey, there she is. There she is.
Good morning.
What's up? What's up, Jennifer?
I have been working on I submitted 2 MBTs yesterday. The first one was declined. So I revamped and went to another carrier and got it approved. So I was excited about that. So
Wow.
Hold on, Jennifer. Hold on. Wait a minute. So let's spin the block real quick. She submitted 2 MBTs One got declined. She said, "Hold up, wait a minute. We're not stopping here at this decline thing. We're gonna keep it moving."
Right.
And she put it in another company and got approved. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope y'all picking up what she's putting down.
Yep.
If you get declined, don't stop right there. And so, Jennifer, when you got declined, kind of paint that picture for us. What outside of just taking it somewhere else, what does that look like?
Well, the difference in the carriers was a lot different. I mean, the first carrier was asking all sorts of questions, and it was Forrester, and the second one was Ethos. So Ethos was so simple, answered less questions and got it to go through. So
Okay. Now, so when the prospect got declined first, did you then say, you know what, let me send you through Ethos, or did you how'd you end up with Ethos being your carrier?
Ethos was suggested to me by Tiffany.
Okay. See, now we cooking. Now we cooking.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So you went through Ethos, kind of easy process, clicked a few buttons, got approved, and you were like, okay, let me go ahead and just put this MBT through.
Yes. Yeah. Correct.
All right, cool. Well, thank you for sharing this morning. And who are you passing that ball to?
I'm gonna pass this ball to another woman who is on fire, from what I've been hearing and watching on our huddles. And Miss Donna, it's all yours.
Grand
Darnay
Rising.
from Highsville.
Grand rising.
Grand Rising, everyone. So I gotta leave early today because I have 3 green sheets to do.
Woo!
I have another one to do this evening. Then I have an interview at 1 o'clock. So I just wanted to peek my head in and tell everybody thank you for pushing me and all that good stuff. But we're gonna get these green sheets done. And I have a lady that has to make her the decision today on what she wants to do as far as her policies for her and her children. So we got this going. We're gonna keep on going. We rocking and rolling, and
Hold up,
don't
Darnay.
stop. Don't
Hold up, Darnay.
stop. Don't stop.
Hold
Wait a
up,
minute. Hold
Darnay.
up. Don't
Hold
look.
up.
Wait a minute. Hold up. Don't stop. And guess what? Yesterday when I came in, I had 5 people on my calendar. And when I woke up in the rising, I had 3 more people. So let's rock and roll,
Hold
Team
up, Darnay.
Abracadabra.
Hold up, Darnay. Hold up.
Yes.
Hold up. Hey, hold up. Darnay came on this joint like a boss. Did y'all just? She just came on here like, hold up, y'all. Look, hey, I'm gonna peep my head in the window. You know what I'm saying? I can't stay too long.
No,
I'm
that was
from
like an ED. That was
I'm
like
from
an ED.
Highsville. Hey, Dr. Mark, you see all that? You see this new? She got
Yep.
she got a whole
And
new
with her coffee
attitude,
cup.
right? Like I'm gonna pop in, I'm gonna drop these little nuggets on y'all real quick, and I'm gonna be out. But take care of you guys. This is what I'm doing now. Thank you, Donne,
Yeah,
for sharing.
Donna.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, I love it.
Get it
So
in, get it in.
who you passing that ball to?
Okay.
Donne from Highsville.
I want to pass the ball to my girl, Tiffany Tella, another person that I want to be like when I grow up. To Keisha
Mhm.
Carr, you first, but Tiffany, you second. I want to be like you when I grow up. So I'm gonna pass it to her because I know she got some things she want to tell us and some nuggets she want to give. So hey, here you go, Tiffany.
Good morning. Thank you for passing the ball, Donna. And I just love you dearly. Great work. I'm going to pass the ball to Dr. Mark, the financial prophet, because I do believe he was before myself. And we're going to let him go. I know they said ladies go first, but I love to hear Dr. Mark so he can get me pumped and pass the coffee
Y'all,
to.
y'all so respectful.
Yes, I know because I didn't see who was first.
Thanks, Tiffany. Thanks so much. I'm inspired by what you're doing. And man, I'm excited this morning. I'm fired up. You know, we don't give up on clients or family members that need insurance. My little cousin, you know, she's in college. She called, actually texted her on her own, been trying to reach out to her for 2 years, and she's set up to get life insurance. Man, I'm so fired up. For 2 years, been trying to get her covered, but she made a decision to just text me last night and said, my dad said to contact you. I'm ready to get life insurance. So I was
Stuff,
fired up
what's up?
about that. Man, and then my superhero partner, we're about to do a presentation this morning. You don't see her yet. She'll be on here soon. But we're going to hit the senior, we have a senior facility we're going to this morning to introduce life insurance to. We're going to do a presentation. That's my superhero partner. We're going to make it happen. We're going to have some good news when we come back. So we just fired up this morning. That's our money-making activities. Man, we just ready to go. We're just ready to blaze this trail. So I want to share that good news this morning.
Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Who you passing that ball to, sir?
I'm gonna pass this ball back to Miss Tiffany Tyler. I know you got some great things to share. You always inspire us also. So what you got? Bring me on up this morning. Let's and be inspired by you, Tiffany.
All right. Again, good morning, team. I'm ready. I'm headed out the door with my 14-year-old today. He got us 15 green sheets packed. We have the iPad. We got my literature stapled with business cards, and we are hitting up the nearest hotels in our area today. He also have a Honduras family that he needs to do a green sheet on with about 6 people in, and I'm gonna let him work it out today. I'm putting him on an hourly pay because his hourly pay be pretty prestigious at sometimes, but he's trying to get school money, so I'm gonna do my job. And Starbucks called me and wanted to know where had I been. So I'm gonna drop off some literature to them. And y'all remember the Wharton that I had to do reverse psychology on? I have to send him over some quotes. So I am super pumped on this Wednesday. I thought I was gonna be at home working, but not today because my son is up. He's ready to go, and we're gonna make something happen. We're gonna get a couple of things done today. And his
Hold on, hold
insurance.
on, hold on. Do y'all realize do y'all see without seeing this agent in the making? Y'all see
Mm-hmm.
without seeing this
Mm-hmm.
agent in the making, right? This
Oh
this
yeah.
like this guy's almost like becoming a urban legend in USAX. So
Mm-hmm.
so Tiffany, keep up the great work. Tell
And
your
believe
son that
he was trying to meet you, Uncle Jock, at Takesha's award ceremony, but he was just excited and he was like, Mom, I did not get not one award.
well, guess what? We're gonna make sure that happens. So Tiffany, we're gonna get offline and make sure that we get him an award because he's been putting in work. Like he
Yes,
really has been
he,
putting in some work.
he's preparing to come to level up with me. So I'm just glad that I do have one of my children that's in tune into my business because he really is in tune and he keeps me on his toes. And I think he's trying to get this little girl to be his girlfriend. So that's why we got this meeting at the Honduras place.
Ho 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 ho. Takesha just put it out there. I think we gotta create an award for people like your son
Mm-hmm.
that show up and show out. So Erik, Dr. Mary, Takesha, whatever other EDs we got on this line, let's figure that out. Let's go ahead and make that happen because that is what we're talking about, that future energy that keeps this legacy thing alive. So Tiffany, you got something special right there. Who you passing that ball to?
Am now gonna pass this ball over to my girl, my Leo sister, my sister. I dream you cut your locks off too. So please do not cut your locks like me. And we are in our season, so come on online. I love you. I love everything that you put out here for us. And just know that all of your work goes noticed. And we just love when you embrace us. Come on, Swan.
I'm going to pass it over to the other Leo, but thank you, Tiffany. We got
Y'all,
LaShonda, the secret plug. This our
y'all,
season,
so,
y'all. I'm about to shout
yeah,
y'all out on Thursday.
Yes, y'all, we are roaring. Good morning. Thank you, Storyteller. It is our season. We are on fire. I just wanted to shout out one of the activities I did yesterday was set up a meeting with Coach Erik, because I've been sitting here, y'all, staring at this screen, and it's not my nature to just be staring at the screen. I've been staring at my screen because I got stuck in the client process with the follow-ups. So I got on a call with him. He put Dr. Mary on. He's like, the organization ain't my thing. That's Dr. Mary. And she was able to help me to realize where my hole was, where I wasn't plugging in the blueprint properly. And I was using it. I was definitely using it. It was just one little step that I was missing that had me literally sitting here staring at this screen like a crazy person. Y'all, stop doing that. I know it's people on this
Yes,
call who don't want to plug
yes,
in. Oh, I think they
yes,
busy. I don't want to bother them. This is what they do. Call the EDs, call your upline, call somebody who can help you to get unstuck, whether it's social media, whatever it is, they are here to help. Get
yes.
out of your own brain with that. I don't want to bother them. I don't know if they busy. It's okay. If they busy, they will get right back to you or plug somebody in who can help you. And I am passing the ball.
Hold on, LaShonda. Like Mo just said, you know, it's a powerful thing to pick up the phone and just make a call. Like y'all don't understand, it's a powerful thing to pick up the phone and make a call because it's just as powerful that your business gets crushed when you don't make the call. Y'all feel what
We
I'm
don't,
saying? Like
yes, we don't
make
know what we
the
don't know.
yes, make the call. Donnie, you be making the call, don't you? Donnie makes the calls. Tawana makes the calls. Like make the calls, y'all. Make the calls. Because if you got a question, if you're stuck, if you feel like, you know, see, here's the thing. Here's the difference, LaShonda. And I'm so glad that you brought this up. The person that makes the calls, that's deliberate about getting unstuck, guess what? It's gonna get unstuck. Because they ain't trying to be stuck. How you know they ain't trying to be stuck? Because they made the damn call. The person that does not make the call is the person that's going to be 1 foot in, 1 foot out, getting ready to jump off the bridge 1 week, going to be in the car 1 week, going to call. That's the one that's going to start doing upline abuse. Y'all feel me? Because they just not plugged in. Just stay plugged in. And if you get to a place that you're unsure about, like LaShonda said, just make a call. We got a whole, see, here's the difference. There's some people, guess what? All they have is their upline. Do y'all realize? Look on this Zoom. We got a whole village, ladies and gentlemen. Make the call. Thank you, LaShonda. Who you passing that ball to?
Like,
I'm on.
LaShawn, 1 second. Can I say one thing? Adding to what you just said, Jock, make the call, but ask the question too. Because if you're not talking
Yeah.
and asking the question, you're defeating the purpose because you can't make the call until you ask the question.
Yes. And Donne, you probably missed it though, but I'm not gonna roll you under the bus real quick, but I'm gonna circle back. You make the call. You know, you Donne makes the calls. She gonna pick up the phone. She calling somebody. Like LaShonda said, I'm reaching out. I'm getting on somebody's
Calendar.
calendar
Yes.
is going to get checked and marked today. That's LaShonda right there. You know what I mean? Who you passing that ball to?
I'm gonna pass the ball. Tawana, you ready, or I need to pass it to somebody else?
I'm good.
Okay. All right. Didn't know if it was a plan that I didn't know about. All
Nope,
right. So I'm
nope,
passing
nope.
the ball back to my sister, the storyteller, amazing energy, awesome. Gonna be the next ED very, very soon. So I'm excited for her team building and for her clientele building. Always got awesome energy and awesome stories to tell. So Toana, what you got for us? Storyteller, come on up.
Thank you, the sacred plug. And yes, y'all, Leos, get ready to roar. Thursday, we're going to go August Leos. Let's go.
That's right.
Y'all don't realize how many August Leos on here that are killing it. I just want to say that. Anyway, yeah, let us have our time. So yesterday, I had to make a follow-up visit to this young man at T-Mobile that we were supposed to meet with on. I was supposed to meet with on Sunday. He's a manager there, and I went back in. Long story short, to reschedule with him because he is interested in getting a policy and maybe looking into the business because I did pique him about how much he makes, and I started telling him, you know, how could you do this in 6 months? What you could do this in 6 months? What you make in a year? And he's like, I'm about that. You know, show me. You know, I'm trying to uplift myself and get my family straight. Cool. So while I was talking to him, was another guy in the shop listening in, and he was looking over. I said, "Do you have life insurance?" And he said, "Yeah, I do." And I said, "What kind of life insurance?" He said, "Prime America." And why is it that everybody I speak to, they say Prime America? They do not know what they have. They don't know what they have. I said, "So you know you have a term policy?" "Oh, well, yeah, I guess so." I said, can I show you? Would it be okay if I showed you something different? He was kind of shoving me off because, you know, my peoples do prime. I'm good. I said, well, let me get in front of your peoples so I can show them, right? He just kind of ignored me, but I did what I had to do at that moment. But I was like, this is the third time when I asked, they say I have Prime America. What is Prime America? It's term. Think about that. So I just want to also shout out Rebecca, new teammate. She is killing it in training. She's from New York, and I'm like, every time I check in with her, she said, I'm sorry, I overslept. I was working on my annuities training. I'm like, what? She's gonna be fired, and I can't wait to see what she does in this business. So that's it. That's all. That's a quote from Miss Rita.
Well, here's the thing, real quick, Tawana. So for y'all that don't know, Tawana is really like my sister from another mister. All right. She like she's really like the sister that I never had. And she's joined me in multiple businesses. She's joined me, she shut me down. She's like, Jock, I don't want to talk to you right now. I don't want to be bothered. I'm gonna unfriend you for a couple minutes because I'm gonna write my books. I'll be back. I'm peeking in. I'm right here. What is this you have going on? Because I had to kind of trick her to get involved in this business. And she'll tell you, but we won't go there. She'll tell you that another day, how I tricked her. So Tawana is here. Tawana has been here from day one. She's a day oneer. All right. And when I say day oneer, I'm talking about two different things. She's been here with me from day one, but Tawana is a day oneer. When I say a day oneer, Tawana, what you see is what you get day one. That's a day oneer. Now, the reason I'm even taking time to even pull over and of course, spotlight Tawana is because she's been through almost every phase that a person can go through in whatever phases are available to go through, if that makes sense. Tawana them been on the peaks, the valleys. I'm here, I'm not here. I love y'all. I gotta miss y'all. And then something just happened. I don't know what happened, but something just happened like about 3 or 4 months ago. Tawana just kicked it. Y'all remember the Kool-Aid commercials when you just kick in the door and it's like, it's Kool-Aid, I'm here. Hey, Tawana just kicked the door in. And I just want to publicly say, Tawana, I'm so proud of you because we've had so many conversations. We had some wrestling matches, you know, even down to a courageous conversation. And I hope you don't mind, but I just got to share it. Toana one morning was like, "Look, y'all don't understand. Y'all stress me the hell out. You, Erik, you, Jock, y'all make my damn blood pressure go up.
Let's stay drained. I'm drained. Let's stay with her.
Y'all, hey, y'all." And so Erik was like, "Well, Toana, respectfully, I tell you what, just don't come back to the call for a minute. Just take a break, because we don't want to be responsible for your stress." Toana took a break for one day, and then there was another day. And then Toana was like, "Hey, look, y'all ain't putting me on a bench. I'm not a bench rider. I'm a player. So I'm not even asking permission to get back in the game. I'm telling you, I'm in the game." And ever since, it's been a whole new Toana. It's been a Toana that's been building, a Toana that's been plugging in, a Toana that's been leading from the front, and a Toana that's saying, "You know what? I got this." So I just wanted to say, Toana, job well done.
Yay, Toana. Yeah.
TT!
Girl,
Yes, girl.
That's awesome, Tawana. Awesome.
Let's go,
false
TT.
moves,
An
baby,
And
false
who
moves.
example.
I love it, T.
Let's go,
and,
TT.
Thank
and
you.
Awesome
who
example.
who are you passing that ball to? It was somebody that had a hand up, but
Money had his hand up, but I guess Troy take over. We got it.
Is it money